Okay, so it was requested I do a video about locks, and oils that do an amazing job of helping grow locks, maintain locks, and keep locks ever so fresh. So if you have locks or you're trying to think about getting locks or lockety lock, stick around and lock it up with me, okay? All right. Woo! First and foremost, we're going to start this off right, and I'm going to let you know that using fake shampoo in your locks is a terrible, terrible idea because, again, your hair is locked up. So using fake artificial products locks in fake artificial ingredients into your hair, which can cause breakage. So I recommend you use something like this from Net or Gold. It's an all-natural body wash and shampoo that you can use. You can pronounce all the ingredients. It won't mess your hair up. It'll leave you nice and beautiful. This is called King's Reign. You're a king, right? If you're a queen, I actually have a queendom as well. And if you don't even know, if Lion's Den or Unscented, your choice. I got it all, baby. Buy this. Hey, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel. Like this video. Tell your friends about me. Tell your mom about me. Share me on Facebook. I'm also on Twitter. I'm everywhere. Everywhere at once. I'm like a jumper. Like a super duper jump. Ow. So first we're going to talk about is avocado oil, right? It's a nice and fatty oil that allows your hair to absorb and just take in all the vitamins and minerals you're putting into it. Because this little fatty oil, avocado, little fatty, does a great job of just penetrating deep into your hair, deep into your hair, into your scalp, allowing your body to absorb these vitamins and minerals that you need. That's kind of stuff you need for locks, because you don't want to have, like, you know, the thinning locks from not having enough vitamins in your soil, do you? I didn't think so. So, avocados. You can even try some of the avocado hair mask stuff that I've been toying around with. Now, you're gonna have to wash all it out. So that's probably gonna be a little bit difficult with locks, but if you want to give it a shot, you know, do it right, like right in the middle, like with the parts and stuff, you can give that a shot. But if you like locked up, like, nah, fam, stay away from that. So the next one's going to be argan oil, right? Which is really rich in fatty acids, which helps moisturize the hair, right? And it's like chock full of like vitamin E, and it like moisturizes your hair, allowing your hair to just have this nice shine and shimmer to it, right? If your locks are dull, you need some argan oil. It's that simple. Invest in some argan oil for some nice, beautiful, shiny, locked up goodness. Oh, if you already know, Chris is actually going to lock her hair after the baby's born. So, yeah. If you're wondering what I'm going to do, I'm just going to keep growing it. Let it be luxurious and flutter around like a little butterfly. A little sexy butterfly. Okay, jojoba oil does a great job of improving your hair's elasticity and keeping away germs, because it has a lot of like anti-germ fighting properties in it, which are good for you, because you don't want to have like dirty, stinky, crusty, smelly locks. Okay, you don't want to be that kind of stereotype. You want to have the locks that people are just like, oh my gosh, how can I get that? That's what you want. So a little bit of jojoba oil is a great job. Now, one thing about jojoba oil is apparently it's a wax. It's a melted down wax. Who knew? Who freaking knew? And it also does a great job of making your, the skin underneath look good. So when you're getting the fresh parts or whatever, just in general, that oil does a great job of popping your skin. Pop in your skin. Right? If you want to look like me, you want to pop your skin. Now, coconut oil is one that we all know is very beautiful and very good for the hair. It does a great job of actually keeping protein inside of your hair, because it's a nice little fatty. It's, again, this fatty. Right, it's this fatty oil that like really does a great job of just locking in that protein, because your hair needs protein, right? You need protein. It's a fact. All the vegetables you eat have protein in it. Remember, we just talked about this in yesterday's video. Protein is great for you. It's good for you, and it really helps out. So use a little bit of coconut oil in it. I don't know, like, what's this thing? Oh, King's Reign. Yeah. Oh, no, it's coconut oil's in there. And what about, we talk about what, argan oil? Is that in here too? Oh, let me see. Oh no, there's no argan oil in it. Oh, played myself. All right, another one. This is one that Chris can't use because she's actually allergic to nuts, but almond oil. It does a great job of removing dead skin cells, right? So that allows the new growth to come on in there. Like it does, like, think of it this way, right? Like that. That's how it's going to, like, that's going to be how your new hair is going to grow. Also, almond oil does a great job of removing inflammation. So if you have like any, I don't know, if your hair's inflamed, if your scalp's inflamed or whatever from like dirty stuff touching you, like the chick down the street, or like that one guy that keeps hitting you up because you gave him your number at the club that one time 4 years ago, but he keeps calling you. Like, it does a good job of that, right? It helps fight that kind of stuff. All right, so this last one is one that I have not used and will never use, but it's a great oil. So I'm just going to let you all know about it, and you make the choice. It's called emu oil, right? So emu, like the big flightless bird, the black bird that's really related to an ostrich. Essentially, they kill the emu. I don't know if they eat it or not. Well, actually, they probably do. I've had emu burger years ago. So anyway, they take the fat, and then they boil the fat down and put it into an oil. So it's emu oil from emu fat. It's a fatty oil, obviously, because it's from fat. It's antimicrobial, antifungal. Does a great job of breaking up, dead skin cells and stuff like that, and allowing new hair to grow. So if you want to give that a shot, you're more than welcome to. I will not be offering it, but it is a thing you can find online. Emu oil, EMU oil, and yeah. So that's that. Okay, see ya.